Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is episode 2 of the Gwili Railway 60 Years Gala. This video starts on the footplate of Ilstoke Manor, as you can see now. As you can see, the regulator there of number 7812, as well as the roaring fire that gives off great heat as it was quite cold that day.
What's the thing on the front? Particularly happy, isn't it? It is today. The pitch still happy. Don't know if that's been falling apart or anything. Yeah, most things will get I think you've got to have that out of there.
Here you can see all the coal in the tender. This is quite a lot of coal, but I'm sure this engine's quite hungry for coal. Here is a view like the driver would get when looking out the side, as well as the same view from the inside.
I think he's got quite a lot of steam.
Here you can see the departing Abergwili station with number 7812 and 5521 that are heading on the front of the train, while at the rear we have 6430 carmarthen.
We're just approaching Bromwich Station.
If you would like more information on the 3 locomotives said before, then make sure to go and check out part 1, the link will be in the description. Here you can then see the miniature railway set up for Saturday and Sunday. There will also be steam traction engines in the station. Here you can see the locomotives working hard up the hill to Llwyfan carrige, and then we'll be having a quick look around there and then going back on our carmarthen. Here you can see 7812 has left 5521 to pull the train all by itself. This makes quite an impressive sound. Llwyfan carrige, you can see there are multiple locomotives like this Packet Works, which usually makes steam locomotives, but they built 6 diesels, and this is the only one that is 6-wheeled, so it's a quite special engine. This is a austerity steam locomotive. Here you can see the back plate of it and the reverser.
well as then HST.
Here you can see a boiler that is for another austerity, which they're just finishing up the rebuild on. Next we're going to go behind the scenes a little bit and climb up into the cab of an engine which is just being restored. Now we're just climbing into the cab of the Hunslet. As you can see, it's all shiny on the outside, it's been repainted. Here you can see a view at the front. This engine has got dual controls, so at both sides the controls are the exact same. It was originally owned by the Ford Motor Company in the engine department, but the engine is currently out as it was needing repair. It is a Cummins engine and it's fixed now, but it's still needing to go back in. Next thing to talk about is this coach from around the Victorian times. This is the only coach in the UK, we believe, to have a Blue Peter badge. Here you can see the pannier tank that will be pulling us back up the line on the head of the train. Now just departing Llwyfan carriage station. Here you can see the Class 03 is returned back to Bromwich, ready for tomorrow. Unfortunately, this engine is doing its 10-year body inspection in May, so it may go out of service for a while. But here you can see a bit of the motion work on the pannier tank. Here you can see a bit more behind the scenes inside of the carriage shed inside of Abergwili station. So you can see some of the rolling stock. Eventually they want to have 2 lines inside of here and then another further 3 on the outside running next to the shed. But for now there's only 1 line inside of the shed and that's it. Here you can see just outside of the shed, Llwyfan Manor number 7812 is coming to get some water. If you have enjoyed this video, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. That's going to be the end of this video. As you can see, you just got the manor behind me filling up with water.